For users looking for some type of scale or sense of relativity in this space, let's begin by starting with the world axis. To begin, I'll press the blue button in my non-drawing hand, and whatever tab I was in last, let's say I was in Save Last, that's what's going to show up when I press my blue button. So we're going to go to Settings and turn on World Axis. From here, I want to put a cube right in the middle of the scene. So I'm going to press the purple button on my non-drawing hand and bring up my tools. I'm going to go to Primitive Shapes, trigger Select with my drawing hand, and select the cube. Here I can create the cube with my two triggers. Let's just put one approximately right here. Another question we also get quite a bit is what about lighting? So to edit our lighting, we can press the blue button in our non-drawing hand. We can go to Workspace, and here we have a torch or flashlight, and we can grab it and shine it relative to our geometry. If I like this specific place, let's say we light it from the top or the side, we'll leave it at the side. What we can do is grab it using our grab sphere and just delete it. And that'll snap it back to this menu in the exact same orientation. Now here's something you might commonly find in Gravity Sketch is just a stroke, just a random thing that you left because you accidentally pressed a trigger, particularly in the beginning. All you have to do is use your grab sphere and delete it. The same can be applied to the cube. You can grab it and delete it, or if you didn't want to do that, you can press back on the red button, or on your non-drawing hand, you can rotate the history clock that's also known as a joystick. And there you go, beginning setup for a more comfortable use of traditional CAD.